Hello friends, welcome to Excel in Career. In this tutorial, we are going to learn simple linear regression. So you can watch my previous video if you have any difficulty. So this is the data that we have taken from the Kaggle competition, that this is the simple linear regression problem. So here we have only one independent variable and we have to predict the salary of a person, that we have the independent variable is years of experience. So here in this case 1.1 year, so the salary has given 39,343. So we have to predict the salary of a person by simple linear regression. So firstly we train our model, and for simple linear regression we have only one independent variable, that is y is equal to a1x plus c. Here x1 is years of experience and y is salary. In case of multiple linear regression, y is equal to a1 x1 plus a2 x2 plus a3 x3. So here x1 x2 x3, there are many independent variable and we have to predict the what is the salary. So this is different problem that we will see in next tutorial. So let's see how we solve. So any machine learning algorithm, what does they do? So they simply fit the best fit line so that the mean square error should be minimum. So so let's see how we solve that problem. So firstly I am importing all the libraries. So here I am importing numpy, pandas and matplotlib. From matplotlib we import the pyplot. So firstly we have import the dataset, that we have data.csv file, salary data.csv. So firstly we import, let's say data is equal to pd.read csv, and the file name, that is salary dot csv. You can watch my pandas video if you have any difficulty. So pandas has no, okay, read csv. So now I have to convert into x and y number array, that is x is equal to data.ilog. I want all rows and I want column from 0 to 1. I want only first column. And y is equal to dot ilog. I want all rows and want only -1 of column. So here we want x and y in arrays. So I write here values. You can watch my previous video if you have any difficulty. That is how ilog, how values work. So now I have to split the data into training set and test set. So I am importing from sklearn model. We are importing train test split. we have to specify the test size. Let's say test size is 0.2. 20% is given to the test size. Random state. So I am importing the train test split. So you can see here X train. So here this is the train that we have get the array. Okay. So now I have to train the data from the training set. Means I have to build the simple linear regression by training data. So let's say from sklearn.model we are importing the linear regression. So I just write it. So here I am importing the simple linear regression, and I call that class linear regression, and I fit xtrain and ytrain. So here we train the data from the training data. So here now I have to predict y predict. Sorry. Now I want to predict the value of y when we have given the x test result. So here we firstly train the data from xtrain and ytrain. That is, xtrain is the independent variable and ytrain is the value, that is salary of a person. So we train the model, that is linear regression model. From linear model we have import the linear regression. Okay, so we train our model. Now I want to predict the value of y predict. So this will be the value of the y predict. Now I have to place side by side, that is y test and y predict. So we will visualize the graph. So firstly I plot plt dot scatter, and I want x train comma y train. So this is the result, that is x train comma y train. Now I want a plot, that is plt dot plot. Now I want a plot of x train and y predict. So let's see what's the error. Oh sorry, I have to write here test. So this will give me a result, that is the train and y train and x test and y test. So now I want x test and y test. So this is the result, that is x test and y test. These are the actual result and our machine learning model will give this line. So I think this will be the best fit line by our machine learning model. So this is the root mean square error. So this distance square plus this distance square plus this distance square, and the mean of that should be minimum. So our machine learning model fit this line. So in next lecture we will see multiple linear regression.